Hey beauty, today we'll be diving into the ultimate beauty tips to help you look instantly fresh and more radiant without a drop of makeup. Whether you're a busy bee or a skincare lover or just embracing the natural glow, this is for you, and let's get into the video. Looking fresh, start from clean, hydrated, using a gentle cleanser to remove sweat and oil, and then go in with your hydrating toner or your mist. This step will instantly plump your skin and give you this fresh from the spa look. And layering a lightweight moisturizer or a hydrating serum like hyaluronic acid serum for a dewy skin. And here is the underrated magic. Facial massage for just 1 to 2 minutes is a game changer. Using your finger to lift your face upward and downward, something that is going to change and lift your face even better from a dull complexion, tired face to a very hydrating, happy, fresh looking face. Facial massage is a game changer and it is magic on its own, and people underrate this a lot because they don't understand the magic behind facial massage. Even making use of a cold spoon to depuff your face, most especially if you have a puffy eye, using a cold spoon to boost the circulation on your face is going to reduce those puffiness you are having on your eye. Your lip is also part of your face, so you need to pay maximum attention to your lip. If your lip is well hydrated, healthy and glowing itself, even without makeup, your skin is going to look attractive because of your lip. Your face is going to look attractive because of your lip. Even that alone can drive some gender crazy, if you know what I'm saying. Dull lip, dry lip make your face look dull. If you don't know this, I'm telling you this for free. You can simply exfoliate your lip by making use of a sugar scrub. Use sugar to scrub your lip. That is part of exfoliating. Making use of your toothbrush to exfoliate your skin, to exfoliate your lip by using it to brush your lip gradually. Don't be too aggressive. Can also exfoliate your skin by removing the dead outer layer on your lip, and it's going to bring out this fresh, soft baby lip. It's not just your body alone that need exfoliation. Your lip also need exfoliation. So you need to exfoliate your lip using a sugar scrub or your toothbrush to exfoliate your lip. The next one is going to be your eyebrows. Like, these are natural, girl. These are natural. Like, this is part of your beauty. Someone like me, that I don't do makeup. I only do makeup once in blue moon. I take care of my eyebrow. Like, I always take my time because I don't really like to carve it that much because I love how beautiful it is. Let me know down in the comment section, what do you think about my eyebrow? Like, whenever I'm done with my skincare routine, I comb this and kind of give it this style, like comb it and bring it down this way with a brush, like toothbrush, but not the one I use to brush my teeth. I have a special one I use on my eyebrow. So when I am done, you know, this place is already well moisturized, so by the time I comb this, it's just going to slip and slick and look this way. So what do you think about my eyebrow? Forget about this part. This is a scar here. I have a scar here from childhood. So, but apart from this, what do you think about my eyebrow? When you maintain your eyebrow makes your face look polished and instant fresh. That is it. Even without makeup. When you have a very, very clean, beautiful eyebrow, if you maintain your eyebrow well, trust me, it's part of that polish that your face needs without makeup. You use castor oil on your eyebrow. You can make use of eyebrow serum on your eyebrow. Not all events I put on makeup. It's not all events. You mostly, like maybe 90% see me this way. The next one is going to be SPF with a glow. Yes, sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen. If you have been following Sophia for a very, very long time, for a while, you know that I do talk about sunscreen a lot. So if you want to achieve that glow skin without makeup, it's time you incorporate good sunscreen into your skincare routine in order to achieve that glow, plumpy skin and well protected skin from the UV ray. It is high time you incorporate good sunscreen into your skincare routine. You get a sunscreen that is double as highlight, going to protect your skin, and also is going to give you a radiant glow finish look without even a drop of makeup. Looking fresh is not about covering up. It's about enhancing your natural beauty with the right skincare products and simple steps. Just as I said, earlier. I do have some comments that people will say, just as you see my face, they'll be like, you apply oil on your face just to make video, blah 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 blah. It's about using the right skincare product on your face in order to enhance your natural beauty and glow. This is glow. This is what I call glow face. It's not about you applying a bunch of oil or a couple of oil on your face in order to make a video. It's about using natural products on your face in order to look glow, beautiful and healthy. Just as you're seeing on your screen right now, you're going to look beautiful and confident and step out there without any shit telling you that, girl, you're not looking beautiful. Instead, they're going to compliment you and tell you that, oh girl, lady, sister, auntie, you look so pretty without makeup. So I really hope one or two people or any gender watching this video find this video so helpful, and share this video with a friend and family who you think might need a video like this. And I'm going to see you all in the next very one. Stay blessed and peace. I still remain your favorite guest, Sophia. Peace out.